Welcome everyone, presenting this video for your kids that will be help you for the drawing sessions. First we are going to draw the jumbo elephant as shown here. Difficulty level for this one is very easy and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7 years. Fill your drawing with some bright colors as shown here. Next we will be tracing a cheetah. Just few steps and you will be done. This cheetah looks so furious and try to draw this one carefully. Cheetah without stripes is incomplete, so just try to draw the bold stripes using the marker as shown here. Fill it with colors carefully. I am using sketch pens, you can use the same. Kids get inspired by watching the Superman movies, and now we are going to trace a Superman. It's very simple, you can pause the video to have a careful look. Follow these steps and you will be able to trace it down. This drawing is suitable for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7 years. Fill it with the suitable colors. I am using pencil colors, you can use the same. Let's try to draw this friendly water animal. Yes, we are talking about the dolphin. It's very easy to draw. This drawing is suitable for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7 years. This dolphin is playing with a ball. Pause the video and follow the steps carefully. Don't forget to put some exciting colors like we are using here. Kids between the age group of 8 to 9 years can draw it very well. Difficulty level for this one is medium. Now we are actually trying to trace out a mouse that is wearing some cool clothes. We are trying to trace a female mouse, so we will be coloring it with the pink color. Do the coloring carefully. This mouse looks so cool. This one is also a mouse, but this time it looks like this is a mischievous mouse who is actually a thief and it has stolen a big fruit in its hand. Fill it with some colors. I am using these as shown in the video. You can use any of your favorite color. It's time to draw a big fat rabbit. Difficulty level for this one is very easy and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 5 to 7 years. Follow these steps and see how easy it is. You will be able to draw this funny fat bunny in just few minutes. Frog cartoon characters are so amazing and we are trying to draw one of them. Follow these steps and try to trace this down. This drawing is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 6 to 8 years. Color it in the same way as shown here in the video. Difficulty level for this drawing is medium. Actually, we are trying to trace down a girl. Follow these steps and try to draw this one. This drawing is suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 12 years. Color it carefully using sketch pens as shown here. Cats are very adorable and today we are going to draw one of the cutest cat ever. Pause the video and try to trace it carefully as shown in the video. I am using grey color to fill the body of the cat. You can use any other color of your choice. Thanks for watching.